Okay, so I lied. I'm not having potato pancakes for breakfast. I'm in the mood for pumpkin pancakes instead. So I am doing a flourless pumpkin pancake. So it starts with 1 cup of oat flour. Let's see, I need to get a few more things here to measure with. Okay, so you want to mix all the dry ingredients first. So we're going to do a tablespoon of baking powder. Seems like a lot. And then, but you know, these don't have any, they don't have any eggs, so eggs help them get fluffy. So without eggs, I guess you need more baking powder. And then a tablespoon of, and then, oh, yeah, okay, so I'm going to just mix this dry stuff together first. Then we're going to add, oh, the pumpkin pie spice. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of that. Okay. And then, again, let me mix that all together. So all the dry stuff is mixed. Then we're going to use a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using a non-dairy, so I'm using coconut milk, unsweetened coconut milk. Okay, and then 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This is this spoon is a half, so we're doing 2. Okay, so that's a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then 1/2 cup of the puree, pumpkin puree, which, to be honest with you, I grabbed the wrong thing at the store. So this is a sweet potato puree. But it works just about the same. I personally like sweet potato pie better than pumpkin pie. I don't know what it is about it, but I do like it. Maybe it's just not as sweet. I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm telling you the truth. This is kind of not really a pumpkin. But the recipe calls for pumpkin. And then we're also going to use, as a sweetener, some maple syrup. So again, a tablespoon of maple syrup. And if you're wondering why I'm doing 2, it's because it's a 1/2 tablespoon measure that I grabbed. Okay, so let's stir this all together. You want it to be smooth. Okay, and then I've got my griddle heating up. I'm going to use ghee as my oil for my little. I'm really liking working with ghee. Gives it that better flavor, but it doesn't burn. And I've got this on medium. It looks like it's a little hot. I'm swirling the ghee around here. Okay, let's see how this does. Okay. It's kind of a strange batter. It is fluffy. So I'm making kind of big ones. So here's what it looks like while it's cooking. I just want to make sure it's well greased there. Let it cook for a few minutes. Kind of checking it till it's golden brown. Almost as like, I don't know, a cookie batter, I guess, is what it seems like to me. It's not as thin as what I'm used to for pancakes. But, you know, this is gluten-free, dairy-free, so it's going to be a different type of animal, I suppose. Put a little more ghee on here. Okay. Okay, so I'm flipping it, and yeah, again, it looks like a cookie. Also kind of looks like I made cornmeal pancakes the other day. Kind of reminds me of those as well. I'm turning this up a little bit. It smells really good. Okay, so there you have it. I'm going to just taste a little bit. Let you know what I think here. Yeah, tastes good. Alright, so there you have gluten-free, sugar-free, just has a little maple syrup in it, dairy-free.